Real estate sales in many markets across the GTA have fallen off a cliff. Yes, I know I sound like a broken record, but hopefully some of you are catching the tune. And if you are waiting for better prices in the spring, you are not understanding the data. The data is actually getting so bad that the media, the real estate companies, the associations are even having a hard time spinning it in a positive light. Sure, some of them are still clinging to this fantasy of pent-up demand, but the minute you actually look at the numbers, that story falls apart. Across the GTA, Newmarket, Aurora, Richmond Hill, Georgina, Stouffville, Barrie, pick an area. Sales have collapsed near 50 to 60% from the peak. A lot of these markets are literally back at early 2000 to mid 1990s levels of sales despite massively larger populations. Prices have fallen too, but not at the rate that sales are drying up. That's not a market that's stabilizing. That's a market that's liquidity is freezing. Buyers are sitting out because credit is too expensive relative to prices. Debt loads are already maxed. Google searches in Canada for help with mortgage, missed mortgage payment, power of sale are at all-time highs. Move-up buyers can't move because their values have dropped, and they don't want to take on more debt because they're already drowning in the payments on their current debt. First-time homebuyers don't want to buy because they see the downside risk as higher, that they would buy today and then next year the house would be worth lower versus them waiting and potentially risking higher prices. Boomers who want to downsize can't because the move-up buyers that would normally buy their bigger houses can't afford the prices that they want for them. And to top it all off, every day we are losing demand from peak buyers who are now selling at a loss, and many of which will likely never be able to re-enter the market because of it. And here's why all of this matters so much. Sales volume always turns down before prices do. And right now, sales volume in many markets across the GTA has dropped to mid-1990s recession level lows, while prices continue to sit above pre-pandemic levels. The gap is the danger zone.